यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children. Today I don't know, I have chosen a word which I think that is applicable to almost all children. Whatever walk of life that you are in now, this word is going to rightly fit in all circumstances. The word is amalgamate. A-M-A-L-G-A-M-A-T-E. Amalgamate. What does amalgamate mean? If you read in chemistry, it is a mixture of a metal with mercury. Metal with a mercury without losing its original identity. What is original identity? That both the properties, those metals which are amalgamated, they are not losing their own identity. Still, that gets absorbed. एक नरिया एक नार कहावत मैलो नीर भरो. कितने भी नाले गंगा में मिल जाती हैं तो गंगा का पार्ट हो जाता है. गंगा नेवर लूजेज इट्स आइडेंटिटी. गंगा माँ ही रहती है. Similarly, the word amalgamation has far-reaching impact or implications or its ramifications in our life. Now just see, there are some words which for you, your benefit, I have just noted down. For instance, mix. Somebody comes from somewhere, any Indian, they just amalgamate with one another. They don't look something different. But can you say the same when some Britishers, the Americans come in our society? They look far distant and different than us. Maybe because of their accent, the way they speak, the color, the texture of their make, physical pulchritude, all different. So they do not amalgamate with us as long as the population part is concerned. Amalgamate, in that context, I am referring. Just say mix, mingle, then blend, merge, coalesce, amalgamate, fuse. These are some of the words which I would like to emphasize upon today. Why I chose this word? Because this word has, the word amalgamate has far-reaching implication for students. Students take their life very easy, very comfortably. अरे बाद में करेंगे. The kind of narcissist, tendencies which they have inherently, they inbuilt in their own personality, which I think they should give up. I don't know how many of them really pass into the correction mode later on, after crossing that stage of adolescence. But if we can stitch in time, it will save time. If student, and does not cost much, it is just attitudinal difference. So amalgamation means to combine into a more or less uniform whole. Now, how can I use with this student? Because any example which really permeate for the benefit of the student, I would like to pick up those examples. That is, to combine into a more or less uniform whole, new product, without losing their texture and color. Maybe color it can lose, but properties remain the same. Mix in a drink. Have you ever seen you are adding water into milk. Milk does not change its color. That gets amalgamated. Now, in our Vedic culture, we have heard many times, we should be receptive to many ideas. We should try to amalgamate all the good virtues from Christianity, from Islam, from Zoroastrian, and we should assimilate in our soul. That is called amalgamation of all the good things into our own ethical values. Commingle. What does commingle implies? It implies a closer or more thorough mingling. Commingling of cultural divergence into one. Commingling. Coming and mingling. These two words are making commingling. Blend. Blend implies that the elements such as disappear in the resulting mixture. Blended serves tea to create a balanced flavor. Did you blend it properly? Did you stir it? These are the words that we commonly use. While making tea or the coffee with your milk, what you do? You just take a spoon and blend it up. Blending is also a procedure that is heading towards amalgamation. When two things, we are just coming out of chemistry. We are no more. We have just taken the biological happening, the phenomena from chemistry, but it is having symbolic uses in our day-to-day life. Somebody sends his son to a boarding school, and after a few days or maybe few months, news come and his parents very proudly say, my son has totally amalgamated himself in the new environment. मतलब वहाँ की आबो हवा में he has acclimatized. He has amalgamated himself with the new set of rules and regulation, the procedure, the way of living, the way of conducting himself in new environment. That is called amalgamation. So, my dear children, amalgamate implies the forming of a close union without complete loss of individual identities. I gave you the example that you should try to amalgamate all the good virtues from all the religious scriptures. So in the process, you get enriched by many more bold and beautiful ideas, many life, enriching experiences. But you don't change yourself. It might change your intrinsic scholastic ideas. Your vitalities may be further be vitalized, but you don't change your character. That is what amalgamation means. You must have heard many teachers, the principals in the school, they are saying that we should be able to amalgamate all the virtues wherever we find from different people, different regions, different principalities, different provinces into our own culture. That is the beauty of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is the main core theme of India. As I gave you example, whenever you come from outside, any foreigner or any Indian who is coming from outside, he come across one big hoarding, Incredible India. What is incredible? Incredible मतलब अविश्वसनीय, अतुल्य, जिसकी तुलना नहीं की जा सकती. My dear children, India is the only country in the world which has maintained its credential, barring few spots here and there, which might be spontaneous on certain concocted designs of some vested interests. Otherwise, India has been able and successfully conducting its cultural configurations in a form of incredible India. The values, the culture, the norms, the ethnicity and diversities have been all put together, all amalgamated into one, which is called Indian culture. Indian culture means diversities. So much of forms are there, opposing, just opposed to each other, still united. Indianness. So that incredible India, what does that signify? It signifies that incredible India, Atulya Bharat, jahan aap ja rahe ho, that is a beautiful country which has amalgamated all the virtues from different parts of the world. Still, India has a culture. It loses something from all the things, but originality, Indianness remains the same. So, my dear children, this is a time when you have to amalgamate lot of things. And from my side, I always caution you, I always bless you, I always wish and aspire that my children should learn, rather, they should amalgamate more and more words every day. What are the formula like? One word, suppose I gave you, you have to straightway, besides my lecture, straightway you should head on towards dictionary. Another word for dictionary is lexicon. You should look for its meaning, dictionary or lexicon. Start constructing sentences. Once you get slight confidence, start looking for the synonyms and similar identical words. मिलता जुलता हुआ शब्द, इसी के मीनिंग के बारे में. And then you want to be amply clear. You want to amplify your knowledge. You want to further broaden it. Just compare and contrast with antonyms. What is antonyms? इसका विपरीतार्थक. जैसे क्या होता है? When we are comparing daylight, इसका विपरीतार्थक क्या होगा? Dark night. Daylight, सारा कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है. It is all goody goody. Everything is visible. Dark night. Antonyms. Nothing is visible. It's so dark. Night and dark. It's not moonlight night. It is dark night. So that's the antonym. So that makes your sentences and the clarification of the words very simple, very easy and worth convincing. Now let us look at some words which are synonyms or near synonyms and antonyms at the end. I have picked a few words like blend, I told you, combine. What is that? You are combining some of the qualities. Some students say though, I was not having good quality of speaking. I just learned from my bhaiya. I learned from my didi. And I combine in my life. The combination of my habits. I had very good habit of reading for long hours. And I combined, I borrowed, I emulated the habit of my didi. Combined in my own personality. That is called amalgamated in myself. Commingle, I told you. Comics, COMMIX. Just blend it together. Composite, concrete, conflate. This is just something borrowed from somewhere and put it together. Mix it up. Homogenize. What would be the opposite of it? Heterogenize. But homogenize. You know, it is said homogeneous mixture, homogeneous product, homogeneous habits. What is homogenize? HOMOGENIZE. That you combine certain habits, certain qualities, certain properties which exhibit uniform exhibition of qualities. Intermingle, intermix, meld, merge, MERGE, merge. आपने नाम सुना होगा त्रिवेणी का. That is a perfect example of amalgamation of three pious rivers of India. That is merging at a place. That is called Triveni. Ganges, Jamna and Saraswati. That all these three rivers meet at a place in Prayagraj, and that place is called Triveni. We can also say all these pious rivers amalgamate one another at Triveni in Prayagraj. I believe it would be lot more clearer by now to understand the meaning of the word amalgamate. Now just see a few words related to it. Add, admix. Why don't you add some of the qualities which one of the most spokesperson, the best speakers of the world, they try to inculcate in their personality. Inculcate. Just see the magic of the word. Inside, culcate. That is, you absorb. That is called amalgamate. Inculcate. Compound. Emulsify. EMULSIFY. Emulsification of good virtues. That is nothing but amalgamation of virtues that you can borrow. I told you, there are many things which you can gain through the process of Shruti and Smriti. What is Shruti? सुनी हुई बात. And what is Smriti? स्मरण की हुई बातें. जो बात सुनी हुई है उससे भी आपको याद आती है. जो बात स्मरण किया हुआ है, the thing which you can hear, that you tend to remember. So this is also going to amalgamate your ignorance into knowledge. Intertwine, interweave. आपने कपड़ा को देखा है, बुनते हुए कपड़े का. इसके अंदर दो तरह के कपड़े चलते हैं, एक बाना और एक ताना. हिंदी बोलते हैं बाना ताना, उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं वार्प एंड वेफ्ट. वार्प एंड वेफ्ट. कभी जुलाहे के पास जाओगे तो एक ऐसे करेगा, 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 एक ऐसे करेगा. One from the up and second from the side. Bana and Tana. So, intertwine, integrate, amalgamate. This is very important. This is very important quality that you must inculcate. Every child must inculcate to amalgamate as much virtues as possible. We should not be reactionary. We should be very good judge. And this is possible only when you are a very good listener. When you develop the habit of to become a very good listener, I can promise that a day will come you can be a terrific speaker. Because listening is a process which inculcates you and which start the process of making you a super human being that really enriches you by garnering or gathering and accumulating lots of information. So, and that gets deposited in the subconscious mind. So when you start speaking, when you start delivering impromptu speech or extempore speech, these words which are already stored in your subconscious mind comes up in consciousness, and those words become your forte. You start speaking at the top of the voice with utmost confidence. Why? Because you have been successfully amalgamating those words in your practice. Now listen some more words. Interweave, weave. I gave you the example of weave, bana and tana. Warp, W-A-R-P, warp, and weft, W-E-F-T. Bana, tana, bana, tana, bana, tana. Warp and weft, warp and weft. You see any of the handlooms, that is the principle on which they work. And basically handlooms teaches us a lot. We have to adopt certain principle which can enhance, accumulate our knowledge. And what is that? Persistent and continuous efforts to know more and more word power. Now we can compare and contrast by looking into its antonyms. Antonyms are like cliff. एक तो यहाँ पे we are totally coming together and get fixed up. It is blending. What is the opposite of it? Cliff, जिसमें gap रह गया, छेद रह गया, जिसमें space रह गया. इसका plural form क्या होता है? Cleavages. Cleavages in the mountain, cleavages in the building leads to its destruction. I can find so many cleavages at different places in old fort, and consequently over centuries old. old forts. Having seen cleavages without repair by the government agencies, it leads to its collapse. So cleavages is दरार इसको बोलते हैं. Disjoin, something same. Disunite, divide, divorce, part. No, I have parted away. Part is means you have separated. Rupture, you have ruptured your relations with someone. That goes against the word amalgamate. Sever. So my dear children, disperse, dissolve, scatter, detach, disengage. So mind you, these are the words which are very opposed to the word amalgamate. What does amalgamate do? It integrates. But when the question comes disperse, it disintegrates. So these words are very, very clarified explanation in itself. Amalgamate, when I say, it means two metals and two qualities just joined together. But antonyms means break up, separate, break down. You know? So the message for my children, that take any information, any good virtues, good ideas and just amalgamate. उसको अपने अंदर, इसको क्या बोलता है, एकीकृत करना. हिंदी में बोलते हैं एकीकृत, आत्मसार. अपने अंदर यदि ये हमारी क्वालिटीज हो जाएगी आत्मसार करने की, then we would be a wonderful people. We would be, loving ourselves, because we would develop a kind of self-actualization in our soul. What for we are born. A child who realizes this importance, he or she is showing, or that's an indication, or I have given you a word, that's a harbinger of a good student who is going to do a lot better in days to come tomorrow. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय